In this video, we will show you how to complete the product screening upload template. To submit a product screening order, enter your formula details onto the ingredient-safe product screening upload template. Download the template from the product screening order submission page. Enable editing by clicking the button in the yellow bar at the top. Completing the product screening upload template is easy. Simply enter the formula information in at the top, its name, ID number, purpose of use, product type, body part, and specify if it's leave on or rinse off. Next, enter your formula ingredients and, for the most accurate results, their concentration percentages and/or functions under these first three columns. Then, these columns on the right will automatically populate with necessary IDs. To see all ingredients available for this report, click into the Inky tab. Perform a simple find function with Ctrl+F on your keyboard and enter part of the ingredient name you are looking for. When you find the one you need, simply copy-paste the name onto the Formula tab. While entering your ingredients, refer to the Inky tab. You will know you have properly entered an ingredient on the template when you see the reference number column on the far right populated for each ingredient you enter. Note that you may still see blanks in the preceding columns. If a reference number does not populate in this far right column, look on the Inky tab for the ingredient name that best matches what you need. Please contact our ingredient safe team if you do not see an ingredient you need on this list. When you have completed the upload template, save the file and upload it to the product screening order submission page. Complete your order submission and receive your report results via email. Visit ingredientsafe.com to submit your product screening order or contact us today. And for more information about Ithos Global, visit ithosglobal.com.